for my morning report chart appraisal videos on Thursday 13th of July with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hanson Markets. Going to look at cable. And cable was strong yesterday, 2 days in a row. It looks to be strengthening, bouncing off 128.08. Now, I've been saying about the fact that this trend channel here has been sort of dragging the cable chart lower, and I think back towards that 127.75 level, which is that old key high there that's become sort of pivotal within sort of this recent trading range. I think we're retreating back towards that, but I think we were previously retreating back towards that. Maybe we've now seen the low, 128.08, because we started to see the sort of momentum indicators picking up again. You've also seen a move above the reaction high from Tuesday, which was 129.27. Today's high, 129.50. So this sort of lends us into an interesting moment, because do we sort of choose to go with what looks to be a breakout of this channel? It hasn't yet been confirmed. I think a closing break above 27.27 would be positive, but I think you need a breakout, and that sort of then brings you back into the 129.80 resistance area. But certainly I think the momentum indicators will continue to improve if you sort of hold above 29.27, which is that reaction high on Tuesday. Yeah, it's sort of on the limit, really. The momentum indicators on the hourly chart are demonstrably improving now. You're seeing the RSI sort of now above 70. That's not been seen since the market started to correct. You're seeing the MACD lines, if they can now start to hold above neutral rather than sort of oscillating around it, that would also be sort of a positive momentum development, which again would go towards sort of persuading me that maybe that is a low in place at 128.08. You've got this sort of support band arguably on the hourly chart now between 28.90 and you could argue up towards 29.27. So it's an interesting move that we now need to see holding, really, for the outlook to sustainably improve. So that becomes an interesting session today. You've got the inflation data on PPI today, which for the States, which could see a driver of dollar moves in the near term, considering the emphasis that the Fed's putting on it. So watch out for that at 1:30. But with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.